Open the topology builder of Lync Server 2013. Expand Shared Components. Right-click PSTN Gateways and choose New IP/PSTN Gateway. Input the IP address of NeoGate TG. Click Next. Keep the default Enable IPv4 and click Next. Define a root trunk for this PSTN. The listening port is 5060, the default port of NeoGate TG. The SIP transport protocol is TCP. Keep the next two items unchanged. Click Finish. Right-click the gateway. In Topology, click Publish. And click Next to proceed. If any error occurs, please check the above steps or reinstall the central SQL server. As the publishing wizard completes, click Finish. Remember to create your account in DC first before adding it to Lync Server. Log on the Microsoft Lync Server 2013 control panel. In the left navigation bar, click Users. Click Enable User and Add. In the search box, find the user account. In the table, select the account you want to add to Lync Server, and click OK. Next, assign user to pool lync.estar.com. For users' SIP URL to log in the client software, we recommend using user's email address. In telephony, choose Enterprise Voice. In line URL, enter the user's extension number. The format is tail, followed by a plus and extension number digit. Click Enable to save the configuration. We can use the new account to log in the client to check if the setting is successful. Back to Microsoft Lync Server 2013 control panel. Enter Voice Routing page. Click Dial Plan. Double-click Global to edit. Edit the rule of Keep All. The length is any. Add plus in the field Digits to add. Click OK. Under Voice Policy, edit Global. Click Select. and choose the local into associated PSTN usages. Click OK. Next, edit route. Double-click local route. Click Edit under Match this pattern. In the box, enter the following characters. And click OK. Add the associated trunks. Choose the NeoGate TG gateway we just created and click OK. Next, click Select under Associated PSTN Usages and choose Local. Click OK. Click PSTN Usage and make sure the routes is local route, policies is global. Edit the trunk configuration page. Double-click Global. Under Associated PSTN Usages, click Select and choose the associated PSTN usage for this trunk. Click Commit and choose Commit All to apply the configuration. Now click Test Voice Routing to see if the configuration is successful. The test result shows passed. The configuration on Lync Server 2013 finishes here. In the web interface of NeoGate TG, click Gateway, VoIP trunk, and add VoIP trunk. The trunk type is Service Provider, and the type is the default SIP. Define the trunk name. In hostname/IP, enter the IP address of Lync Server and the default TCP port 5068. Then click Advanced. In Transport, select TCP. Click Save. TCP protocol is disabled in NeoGate TG by default. We need to enable it. Click SIP Settings. And enable TCP port. Click Save and reboot the device. After the device restarts, check the status of the trunk in Trunk Status. The status shows OK. Step 1. Create a mobile group. Define the group name. And choose the strategy. Move all the GSM trunks to the selected and save. Step 2. Create an IP to mobile route. In simple mode, choose No. Define the route name. The call source is the SIP service provider trunk that is connected to Lync Server. In the ID number, enter a plus and a dot. The call destination is the mobile trunk we just created. In outbound dial pattern, also enter a plus and a dot. And strip 1 digit. Click Save. Now we use the Lync Client to dial an external number. The caller ID will be the mobile phone number of NeoGate TG. Create a mobile to IP route. In simple mode, choose No. Define the route name. The call source is the mobile group we created previously. The call destination is the service provider trunk that is connected to Lync Server. In hotline, enter the IVR number of Lync Server. In outbound dial pattern, enter a plus and a dot. And strip 0 digit. Click Save. Now we use an external phone to dial the mobile number of NeoGate TG. When the call is connected, follow the IVR to dial the extension number of Lync Server. The extension rings.